No, they're mine. I bought them. But do we have to fight? No. Can we? Oh, you want to fight? I'll show you fight. It's on. Wait a second. Power me. Wait a second. We always fight. So why can we fight with something else? Like, we can't. Let's just start playing this. Maybe we'll do it in another video. Maybe. What do you mean? Okay. I got mine. Wasn't I awesome? Yeah. 'Cause that's me. Yeah, I'm so awesome. Yeah, I beat him. Yeah. Oh, he's never gonna come alive. He's totally dead. Huh? Is that so? I'm alive! I'm alive! Doesn't that mean I win the war, people? Guess who's gonna win in the end? So, comment, subscribe. Who's gonna win in the end? It's not over. At least I think it's going to be. Oh! What was that? Oh God, I think he went with it. Oh God, I got it. Oh, so you wanna fight? Should we fight it? I need to get something. Stop. I want to get the right. What does it need to get loser? Sucker. I'm dying. I thought we were gone. She dead? Finally dead? She dead? No! Oh my God! I'm never gonna die. I'm gonna just quit. He's now dead. Really dead, I know it. He's weak. I can shoot him now. No! Yes. One more shot. I'm still weak. I shot him. He's dead. You shot him in the knee. Bad injury. Oh. Not good. Let's kill her. Oh God, kill her. No, one more shot and he's dead. Now he's really dead. Well, if you're correct, I hope you subscribe before this part. The end.